What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jwash. Welcome back to Jwash TV. Got a package. Let's go. So we do have a package in today from Nike, man. So y'all go ahead and take a guess of what it is. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the description or not, but if I do, don't guess, and if I don't, make sure you go down in the comment section below and guess what shoe this is, and while you down there, hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Appreciate it. Join the game. But anyways, so this came in today, and it came fast. It came way faster than my last pair of shoes that I actually paid $5 for 2-day shipping. This came in a normal base time for Nike without paying the $5, and when I did pay the $5, it took way longer. Anyways, I'm going to get right to it, but first I want to show y'all a pickup that I got from the outlet. And let me tell you something. I took an L today on those blue Air Maxes. Can't remember the name right now. But I took an L on those today. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below. I think it was only size 13, or that's the only size they let you pick. So I didn't see anybody on Twitter that took a W. So they finessed us. But let me show you this pickup real quick that I got from Nike the other day. And here it is. I got like a green sweater from Nike outlet, man. I'm a sweater kind of guy, so when it gets cold out here, so I like to have sweaters and jackets and all kind of shit. I don't even, was it a logo? Yeah, so this is a Jordan jacket. I didn't even know. But this is the only pickup that I found. I've been going to the Nike outlet and not finding nothing. So I went and I was like, I drove 45 minutes to an hour for this, so I'm going to pick up something. It cost me $20. $28. $28 for that right there, for that Jordan sweater. So let's get this out the waist and get to what y'all here for. Alright, here we go. We're going to open this together. They didn't tape the other side, or unless somebody tried to open my package, but it don't look like they taped it. They taped the opposite side, but let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Can y'all see what it is? Can y'all tell now? No? Can y'all tell now? Y'all see that? Jordan. Alright, let's go. Let me stop pulling bullshit, y'all. Anyways, you have that all white Jordan box with that gold jump, man. Why can't we get a box like this, man? Like, come on, man. Alright, so this is a women's exclusive. If you have not guessed it already, this is a women exclusive Jordan size 12, I believe, is somewhere over there. Or over there. There we go. Size 12. This ain't my size. This isn't anybody's sizes. I got it for a review. So we're going to get straight into... Ooh, those are nice, though. For real, though. Ooh. We're going to make this quick because I'm packing to go on a vacation. So, here we go. The women exclusive Jordan Low Concord sketch. Right here. Ooh! Hey, I like these already better than the breads. The white breads. These are fire. For real, for real. Ooh, look at that. Is that patent leather? Is that real patent leather or what? But yeah. Hey, for $185, they jumped up the women's exclusives, or just sneakers in general, man, like up to $185. That's that man price right here. But we're going to get to it real fast, guys. Let's get to it. Oh, on the top, you have that leather. I mean, it's cool. It's cool leather. It ain't all GG, but it's some cool leather. Go around the shoe. You have your rope laces that comes with all Jordan 11 lows. You got your Jordan in the middle with that Concord jump, man. Those rope laces look nice, though. Rope laces on the side panel. You got that patent leather. I don't know if that's real patent leather or not, but it looks good to me. That nice patent leather all the way around the shoe with that Concord jump, man, with that Concord 23 at the top of that. Obviously white soles down there. Then you have that clear bottom down there at the bottom with that clear with that Concord Jumpman down there, carbon fiber right there, black traction pads, on both sides from the front to the back. Basic shoe, clean. Like I said, I got this for the review, and this is the only size that I got. I would sell it to you guys, but I have no patience for selling right now because I just never have. So I will be taking this back to the Nike outlet today, actually. There's no use for this. If you guys want this shoe, y'all gotta DM me hella fast. Like right when I post this video, y'all gotta DM me if y'all want this shoe. Retail plus ship. So I paid, well, what I paid for it, $205 plus ship. So that right there is the Jordan 11 low Concord sketch and that women exclusive. This is dope for women right here, man. This would be dope. If you pick this up, if you're a woman, if I have any women supporters on this channel, man, let me know in the comment section below if you got this. And if there's any dudes on here that got the bigger size, I think this is like a 10.5 men. If you got this size right here, let me know how y'all rocking with it, y'all not rocking with it. Let me know down in the comment section below if y'all fuck with this shoe. This shoe's pretty dope. Like I said, if this would have went in 12, I probably would have thought about it, but I do have a lot of purple shoes, so I probably would have hesitated and saying, like, do I want it, or is it an impulse buy, or do I really want the sneaker? So this was the review on the Concord 11s. Y'all, like I said, man, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Y'all go check out my last video with the Travis Scott merch. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all got y'all's yet to this day or not. Then I have that giveaway going on still too. We're about less than 400 subscribers away for that giveaway, so y'all go ahead and keep pushing that right there. Thank you for the love. This will be a quick video. I'm sorry, but I'm in a rush to go. I'm about to start my vacation tomorrow, so I will not be going live or doing a on feet on Saturday because I will be gone doing my thing. I'll be on the lake jet skiing, tubing, and stuff like that with the family. So I'll be back next week and the following week, man. Y'all stay tuned. Keep supporting the videos, man, because that's what I'm here for. And I'm here to keep entertaining y'all, you know what I'm saying, and giving y'all sneaker reviews anyways. But like I said, if you want this shoe right here, be quick with it. Right when I post this video, let me know in the comment section below. Hit me up on IG at PrettyBoyJWash. That will be in the description too. Let me know. I'm out.